Ideas. Like electrons, they start small. Here at E3 Compliance, ideas are the basic building blocks. Needs become protons. Designs become neutrons. Products become atoms. Ideas are never one thought. They are a group of thoughts that we analyze to provide solutions. At E3, we partner with our customers and use advanced tools to break down complexity, enabling customer products to be market ready. We grow and adapt to emerging technologies with high-speed digital and radio frequency features to deliver best-in-class services. Whether it's automotive, medical, consumer electronics, or an idea that no one saw coming, E3 Compliance is constantly analyzing, optimizing, and testing the products that shape the future.